Hello, my name is Mohsen Ali, and you're watching the Flutter Development Series. In this series, we will cover Flutter completely from beginner level to advanced level. Let's start with a brief introduction to Flutter. Flutter is a framework that allows us to design and develop mobile applications, web applications. So what is Flutter? Flutter is a cross-platform framework that allows us to build applications for multiple platforms using a single codebase. Why is Flutter fast? Flutter provides fast development because it includes the hot reload feature. As soon as we make any change in the code, it appears instantly on the screen. This helps us test and improve our apps quickly. Flutter also has a very powerful widgets library, which helps us create beautiful and modern user interfaces. Performance. Flutter's performance is excellent because it compiles code natively. Native code means code that is built specifically for a particular machine. Flutter is designed in such a way that it compiles natively for every platform, which is why its performance is so strong. History of Flutter. Flutter was first introduced in 2015 by Google. Its beta version was released in 2017. It was officially released in 2018. Web support was added in 2019, and Flutter 2.0 was launched in 2021. Flutter continues to receive regular updates even today. Core concepts of Flutter. Flutter includes widget-based UI, hot reload, responsive layouts such as row, column, and stack, and a smooth navigation system. With these concepts, we can build responsive and powerful applications. Flutter architecture. Flutter's rendering engine is built in C++, which integrates directly with the operating system. This direct integration is one of the main reasons for Flutter's high performance. Environment setup. In this series, we will install the Flutter SDK, set environment variables, use IDEs such as Visual Studio Code and Android Studio, verify the environment using the Flutter Doctor command. First Flutter app. We will learn how to create a new Flutter project, creating projects using the command line and IDEs, designing the user interface, and running the app on an emulator or a physical device. Flutter features. Flutter provides support for camera integration, sensor access, Bluetooth, storage, mobile and desktop, notifications, testing and debugging tools. Testing and deployment. Running the app in debug mode, generating APK/exe files, testing on physical devices, publishing apps on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Learning and support. If you want to explore Flutter further, you can get help from official documentation, community support, social media groups, and Stack Overflow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment box. I will definitely reply. Inshallah. Next steps. In the upcoming videos, we will cover Flutter basics, small practice apps, widgets library, and real-world projects. Thank you very much for your valuable time. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with us. This complete Flutter course will be available on YouTube, where you can learn it step by step in an easy way. Thank you for watching.